So let's talk about creating a portfolio with no experience. But first, everyone thinks clients won't hire you if you do not have a virtual assistant portfolio, because that is what most virtual assistants keep telling me. But here's the catch. How are you supposed to make a portfolio if you have never had a client? So today I'm going to show you how to create a portfolio with no experience, step by step. You don't need past clients, you don't need those amazing tools. And by the end of this video, you will have a solid portfolio that makes you look like a pro, even if you are just starting out. And trust me, this is the same strategy when I used when I was getting started. So who am I? My name is Mong'are, a virtual assistant helping freelancers build profitable careers online. And today I'm breaking down how to build a strong VA portfolio, even if you are starting from scratch. But before that, hit that like and subscribe button and let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do when you're creating a portfolio without experience is to choose your niche. Before you create a portfolio, you need to know what you are showcasing. Are you into social media management? Do you love organizing and handling admin tasks? Do you prefer working behind the scenes with email management or data entry? You can pick one or two skills to focus on so your portfolio looks like clear and professional, not all over the place. Step 2 that you're going to follow when you're creating a portfolio without experience is to create sample work. Yes, you can create sample work even without clients. Here is the secret. You don't need real clients to create a VA portfolio or to create VA portfolio samples. Here's what you can do. You can redesign a messy spreadsheet to show off your data entry or organization skills. Number 2, you can write a sample email to demonstrate email management expertise. Number 3, you can create a social media calendar, that is if you're into social media management, to showcase your content planning skills. And what I mean is basically do the work as if someone hired you, then add it to your portfolio. So clients don't care if it was a paid project. They care if you can do the job very well. Step 3 that you're going to follow when you're creating a virtual assistant portfolio without experience is to use free tools to make it look professional. You do not want to create something that when someone looks at it, it doesn't even look professional. So let's make your portfolio look clean and impressive. One of the tools that you can use when you're creating a portfolio without experience is you can try to use Canva to create your VA portfolio. Canva is perfect for creating simple and beautiful portfolio. It has so many VA portfolio examples you can use as templates. And if you don't know how to use Canva to create a portfolio, search for free tutorials online to get started. I've done some, you can check them out. Another tool that you can use when you're creating a virtual assistant portfolio and you do not have experience, you've not worked with any clients before, is Google Docs. A basic but effective way to structure your portfolio is using Google Docs. It's a good one. It's the best. You can also use Notion. Notion is my favorite tool, and it's a sleek way to showcase your work online. They give you a subdomain. So you can pick one and add your samples and then format in a way that is easy to read. You want people, when they land on that page, they want to find it easy to navigate and understand everything. You do not want them going to that page and feeling stranded. Step 4 that you're going to follow when you're creating your virtual assistant portfolio when you do not have experience or you haven't worked with anyone before. Your portfolio should open with a short and powerful bio, something like, hey, I'm a virtual assistant specializing in, or you can say, hey, my name is Lydia. I'm a virtual assistant specializing in social media management. I help businesses streamline their tasks, manage their workload, and stay organized so they can focus on growth. Below are examples of my work. So let's connect, something like that. This does one thing. It tells the clients who you are, what you do, and why they should hire you. Step 5, when you are creating a portfolio without experience, you haven't worked with anybody, it is adding testimonials. So even if you haven't done any job, how do you do that? Okay, the best way to do that is to ask a friend or a family member if you can help them with a small task in exchange for a feedback. You can also do a free mini project for someone in a Facebook group and then ask for a feedback. You can also use your personal experience. For example, you can say, I've been organizing schedules for my local church for 2 years, or I've been doing this for my mama's chama group for 2 years. Another thing is you have to keep in mind that one good testimonial can make a very big difference in your VA career. Step 6, when you're creating a portfolio without experience, is put it online and share it. You do not want to create that portfolio and expect people to come and find it. Nobody's going to find it if you do not share it. Your portfolio won't help you if no one sees it. So you have to make sure that people see that. So the first thing that you're going to do is to upload it to your Google Drive and create a shareable link. Whatever platform you choose to use, make sure you have a shareable link. Post it on LinkedIn, your website, or social media, and add it up to your freelance platforms where you are registered, like Upwork, Fiverr, People Per Hour, or another place where you sell your services. The more places you share, the better. So that is all about creating a portfolio without experience. And that is, you've already created a portfolio even with zero experience, and you can create a portfolio that attracts clients. You do not need clients to have that portfolio that attracts someone to you. So, but listen, your VA portfolio is just the first step. Next, you need to start landing clients, pricing your services, and setting up systems to grow. And guess what? I have got an entire playlist coming up that walks you through all that. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I reply to every single one. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
You gotta step out of the darkness if you wanna see the light. You gotta learn you can't get it wrong if you ever wanna get it.